Okay, so this is video 7. It's just a few, we're coming to the end of the site now, we've been through the entire site. There's just a few kind of little links here and there that I just want to check and make sure. So the first one is to change the password link. So when the user changes the password, everything works fine. I've checked it and it's really good. The only thing that I need is an email to be sent out to the user telling them that their password has changed. So the email should say, hello Charlie System. That's what the email should say. Hello Shahid Hassan, or obviously whatever the name of the user is. You'll change your password on Mypedia. If this has been done in error, please contact admin@mypedia.co.uk. Regards to the Mypedia team, and the subject should be that Mypedia password changed. Obviously without the quotes. So that's what should be sent out to the user. And then that's it. Apart from that, the change password links works fine. The other thing is the deactivating account. So I've seen the way that this happens is it effectively takes the account offline, so people can't search for it. I think that's really good. I really like that. And it's so the user can still use their account, but it takes it offline. I think that's really good. The only thing I would ask is for the name of that to be changed. So instead of deactivate account, it should be no, in fact, we'll keep it as deactivate account. We'll keep that the same. But what there should be is another button, another option to delete the account, because some users might not want to keep any of their details online. So even if they're hidden, even if they're deactivate, they don't want to have any of these details online on the site. So they want to completely get rid of their account. So in that case, we should have a delete account here at the bottom. And this basically should log the user out, so their account is completely deleted off the system, so it's just logged out. The admin should still be able to see that their account was once created, but it should log them out, so they can't use it. Because obviously when you deactivate, you can still use this, and I can edit this and do this and do that. But once you delete the account, it should just log the user out, and that's it. And the user should be sent an email telling them that their account has been deleted. So it should be that's what the email should say. You've deleted your Mypedia account, so hello whoever's name it is, you've deleted your Mypedia account. To reactivate your account, simply log in using your email and password. You'll be able to use the site like you used to. We hope to see you back soon. And the subject should be simple as that. That's an email that should get sent out to the user. Now once they've deleted their account and they get that email and they want to reactivate their account, they want to resume their account, then they should just have simply log back in. So say this is the user, their account's been deleted, you can't find them on the system, you can't find them anywhere else, you can't find them on most of these profiles, it's off the system. But as soon as they go back here and log in again, everything should be the same. Oops. Oh, no, maybe I think I might have changed the password and I was testing it. Okay. So everything should be the same way as they left it. They shouldn't have to start their profile from scratch again. It should all be the same, exactly the same how they left it. So that's what deleting the account should be. There should be another link called delete account. Okay. Now there's a few other things to mention. So first of all, I'm not sure if it's you guys who can help me with this or not, but the admin email, which is admin@mypedia.co.uk, email should be able to be sent to this email address. So for my Hotmail account, I should be able to send an email to admin@mypedia.co.uk. So I should be able to do that. So I don't know if that's something that you guys need to set up, or it's something I need to speak to someone else about. But because all of my communications are saying if this has been done in error, then please email this email address. And even on my CMS pages, I'm saying if you want to contact us, then contact us using this email address. So we need to have that email address functioning and to be able to receive emails. So I don't know how to set it. Is that you guys who need to set it up, or is it someone else? But I'm looking for your advice there. So, but in terms of the site itself, there are a few other changes I need to should mention. So on this page here, so when you get these little profiles, so on home page, on most read profiles, or if the user's logged out and they can see the most read profiles, whatever it is, whenever you get these little pages, these descriptions, I should have mentioned this before, but I forgot to. So what these descriptions need to be, they need to pick up, the way that it's laid out is fine, so the text is fine. Obviously I've told you before to change on a previous video to change the gaps and stuff like that. But the information they should be picking up is from here. So I think at the moment, it's picking up from, if I go on most of these profiles, it's picking up information from their summary. So you can be going up for the born, all this, and that's what is going on here. That's what it's picking up from. But it should be picking up from here, because this is a standard form that everybody has. Instead of this free text, anybody can write any rubbish in their free text in their summary. So if it picks out from there, and basically what it should say is the name, so Rona Padilla, comma, in brackets, born on 20th with no gap, March, obviously that should be a capital N, no gap for the comma there, 1992, so all that stuff is fine. Just pick up the age from there. Then it should say, so born on that, in, so that should be in, instead of at, in, and then the location, so in Mansour, is an employee, so that's fine, everything like that is fine. It's just a case of picking it up from here. So in fact, let's go to someone else's profile. So you can see this, Krista's profile. What this is picking up her summary from here. Now it should be picking up this information. So what it should say is Krista Pradhan, I'm pretty sure I said that wrong, so sorry. Born 8th July 1990 in Georgia, is a business analyst living in, and then wherever they're living, so obviously I can't, so in fact I'll write, so it should be something like this, right? But there shouldn't even be a comma there. Born on 8th July 1990 in Georgia. So living in we can't see, so obviously on the public profile it doesn't tell you where you live, but there is a field here. Current location. You should pick up that. So for Krista, for argument's sake, say she's living in and her current location says India, that's what this description text should say. I should pick it up from the summary, and it should be like that. Krita Pradhan, born 8th July 1990 in Georgia, is a business analyst living in India. And it should be the same for every single profile. Pick it up from here. Right, the name, born in this date, that's where they're born, is an employee, whatever their occupation is, living in, and then obviously you'll have it where they're living in on their actual profile. It might not be displayed. If you need to display it here, then you can display current location under place of birth. If it's easier for the information to be picked up, because people input it here anyway. So the users are writing it. So if you want to display it on the profile, you can. If it's easier, underneath place of birth, you can have current location. And then it should just pick up all these things. So mine will be Shahid Hassan, born 1st November 1987 in St Albans, UK, is an accountant currently living in St Albans, UK. Okay, so that's how all of these, on most of these profiles, these descriptions should be. Same font. The font looks really nice, but it should all pick up. So it should be that, and it should be on most of these profiles. The home page when you have these similar things. I mean, obviously if there's no text, and just keep it as not available. But it should have all these things on the home page, most of these profiles, and everything else. Even when you're not logged in on the home page. Everywhere you see these, it should all be the standard text that I've just gone through. So I hope that's clear. If it's not, then let me know. Okay, the search function is a bit strange. So if I type in Sandy, this is the next change by the way. If I type in Sandy P Modi, he comes up. When I type in Sandy Modi, he doesn't come up. So really he should be coming up. Because P is like a middle initial, so when I type in Sandy Modi, he should still come up from here. So that's a kind of a bug that needs to be fixed. And then you've got little changes that by logging. When I send a suggestion, this works great by the way, because I checked it from the admin panel and it's really good. Test. Please change this. Just the text that comes up. So you'll see here that there should be some text that comes up. Your suggestion successfully sent. That just needs to be changed to this. So instead of your suggestion successfully sent to Mypedia, it should be your suggestion has been successfully sent to Mypedia. Full stop. So just change that text there. And then the same thing when reporting a profile. The report profile works really well as well. I'm really happy with that. When I click it, please enter a reason to report this profile. So that should just be an A in between there. Please enter a reason to report this profile. Instead of please enter a reason to report this profile in English, it just needs to be an A in between there. So please enter a reason to report this profile. And then also after you send after you send this, your report has been sent to Mypedia. So that would vanish really nicely actually. But just when it's sent that green text should be your report has been sent to Mypedia. Because I think that your report is sent to Mypedia or something like that. Your report has been sent to Mypedia. Just little touches like this just to perfect the site for the English users, just to make it proper for them and more professional. So that should be there after report profile. Your report has been sent to Mypedia successfully. That's all. And then this name function. So let's have a look. First time is my latest account. Oh yeah. I think from the admin panel you need to do. In fact, to show you what I mean by this, I need to sign out. Sorry, I just need to sign out with a new account. Set this up. Oh, I haven't set this one up. Okay, fine. I shouldn't do that. Okay, I'll tell you what I mean by this is sorry about this. So my profile, I think I mentioned to you before that the summary, so if I put sent all of them there, and I put Samsung there, and I click update, the summary should start like this, and you've done it really nicely. So it says Shahid Hassan, born, and then it gives my date of birth. Now the issue I have with this is, first of all, when I change my date of birth, so it's the 1st of July, it doesn't change on here, it still says 27, right? So what I'm thinking is what might be easier, just to delete this functionality altogether. So there shouldn't be anything that updates here, just leave it blank. Whatever the person themselves want to edit in their summary, they can do that themselves. But there shouldn't be anything, it shouldn't be an automatic function. I know I asked you to put the automatic function there, but if we just delete that and get rid of it, I think it'll look better, and then the user themselves can write their own summary. Okay? And then the last couple of things are, again, I'm not sure if it's you guys or is it something that, I don't know, but it's just basically the names. First of all, the links, the URL links here. So obviously that's going to change once we deploy on our domain. But I hope we can change these as well. So my profile is fine, but obviously like my suggestion, that's spelled wrong, so that needs to change. I don't know if this will affect the overall site once it launches, or if it's not a big deal if we can change that ourselves. But just some of these things need to change. So obviously that will be mostly profiles with S on the end, but it's not really a big deal. I'm probably being a bit silly, you're probably thinking. But what I would like to change is here. Can you see how Wikipedia have their name up here on the tab, and then you've got David Beckham Wikipedia? I would like to up here with Mypedia, and then kind of like our little logo of just like an M or something, right? And then when you click on a person, it should be Shahid Hassan Mypedia, just like David Beckham Wikipedia. It should be Shahid, instead of just showing my profile, because this obviously isn't even my profile. I'm looking at someone else's profile. But once I click on Ronak, it just says my profile. It should say Ronak Hadidar Mypedia or something like that. So things like this, I don't know if you guys need to change this, or if this is something we need to do, I don't know. But yeah, just change the tabs. And then finally, just the pop-up that comes up. So I know obviously because we're on your servers, when I deactivate account it comes up this page at, I just want to make sure that this page at, it will say this page at www.mypedia.co.uk. I mean, I don't want these numbers to be there when I'm launching the site, but I'm guessing that once we move the site onto my domain, then this will change automatically, or if it's something that you guys need to do, then please can you do it? But these are the last few things on the site. I think I have one more video, which basically I will need to look at the integration with Facebook and LinkedIn. And after that, it's going to be done. One other thing actually I should talk about In fact, I'll save it for the last video. But yeah, okay, cool. That's it for now, thanks.